So I actually had a dream about this. I was, I guess, thinking about grilling and what can I do different to my burgers? I guess that's what I was thinking about when I fell asleep. Anyway, during that night, I thought about it. I love pineapples on burgers. Why not? Let's put some pineapples inside the burger. Let's stuff the burger with the pineapple and put some special sauce on it. That's what we're doing today. I did it last weekend. I loved it. I loved it so much, I'm making a video this weekend to show you how to do it. If you've seen any of my videos, you know that the core ingredients when cooking anytime is gonna be a grill, good music, and your favorite beer. That's before we even get started. First thing we're gonna do is mix the burgers. We're gonna do it like a normal burger patty. I'll show you how. It takes several ingredients. You got the hamburger meat, it's 80-20 lean. I like a little fat, but not much. You don't want too much fat in that burger. A little Worcestershire sauce. I'm throwing in a little teriyaki sauce on this one, just because it's a pineapple burger. You don't need any salt on this one. You got the Worcestershire sauce and the teriyaki sauce. That's all you need. And the secret ingredient on my burgers is this Lipton onion soup. Put 1 pack in when you're mixing up your burger meat. I'm gonna tell you what, those little pieces of onions and the other sauce that they put in there, a little powder, it's very good. If you hadn't tried it yet, try it. I promise you it's gonna up your burger game. And of course you need pineapples. Not the kind of pineapples that are in sweetened juices. They need to be in their own juice. So you just wanna pad this out like a normal patty. Put the pineapple inside the first patty and then put another patty on top of it. And go around the edges, pinching the edges, kind of sculpt it together. It's gonna be a thick burger. So go ahead and fire up the grill. It's time to get cooking. Hey, now you can see I like to slow cook my burgers. I'm putting them off the heat. The right 2 burners are on low. The left one is completely off. That's where the burgers are. So slow cook is the name of the game. Don't get in a hurry here. Just let them slow cook. You're not burning the outside. You're not putting them on an open flame. You're getting them off the heat. And that's what's gonna cook the burgers and keep them juicy. It's gonna help with that pineapple inside, keeping it juicy, but you know, the meat's gotta be juicy too. Don't forget to add a little cracked pepper on top of the burgers after you put them on the grill. All right, now the sauce you wanna make to complement this pineapple burger, it's gonna have brown sugar in it, some spicy mustard. I'm using Grey Poupon. Grey Poupon! And a little ketchup. You put it in a saucepan, mix all that together, let it heat up. You wanna keep it hot. You don't want that brown sugar to clump together. Keep it stirred, and we're gonna use that as barbecue sauce. All right, you wanna baste those burgers in that sauce we just made. It's nice and liquid, and it provides a very good coating to the outside of the burgers, just like barbecue sauce does. So keep it hot. I threw it on the other grill just to keep it warmed up, but you wanna keep that stuff hot so it's liquid. But anyway, use it just like you would barbecue sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that liberally. You want lots of sauce on this because that's what accents that pineapple flavor. So just use lots of it. While you're slow cooking the burgers, that sauce is gonna permeate into the meat. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Once you have the burgers good and cooked and you know they're done, you just wanna pull them off the grill, get them on a bun. Take that sauce, the sauce that you had extra in that pan, and pour it over the top of your burger. Give it a little extra sauce. It's that good. All right, so now you know how to make a pineapple stuffed burger. Let me tell you, try it out. Try it out, you're gonna be surprised. Even if you don't really like pineapple that much, this burger is probably one of the best burgers I've ever made, and I've made a lot of burgers. All right guys, enjoy.